Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story 2023 in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story 2023. Now let's jump into the video. As we know, Spotify Wrapped has just dropped now and some of us already see this and some other aren't. But if you cannot see this yet, then the first thing we need to do is make sure that your Spotify app is completely up to date now. And if you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then as you can see here, I need to update my Spotify. And then click on Update. And if you can see, it's already updated. And now, once you're done, go back to the Spotify app. Then click the top right to see your rap reps over here. Or you can click your top songs, top artists, or stories. This will start playing and you can see all of this. And then as you can see here, you can tap the share button over here. And then this will pop up and click on Instagram stories and click on share to stories. And now it will be shared to your Instagram stories. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.